Welcome to BALAJI Education YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see the revision of all the previous topics. Like especially we are going to see the methods we have discussed in the previous topics. Like with the methods or tricks or the formulas we have derived from the previous topic I have taken here, and I am going to revise you once before going to see the more topics in this aptitude series. Like at very first we have started with the time and work topic. You have seen, I think, like in the time and work there is only one trick or only one method. Like here you need to take persons, like person A, person B, so on. The person A will be complete in some days, the person B will be complete in some number of days. So the LCM of this you need to take here. The LCM of the days you need to take here, which is equals to the total work, and you need to count the unit, like how many units the person A will be going to perform and how many units the person B will be going to perform. You need to calculate in this column. Like the unit will be the total work by the number of days taken by the person. So this is the only method we have seen entire in the time and work. In this, the extension of this method is this one. Like while taking the total work, sometimes we need to take the remaining work of the total work. Like a contractor took a contract to build a road in 120 days. So contractor took a road contract to build in 120 days. So the total number of days he need to complete in 120 days. He employed 100 laborers initially. So in this he employed 100 laborers initially. Laborers, let it be in this column. Let us take the persons. Instead of persons I am taking laborers. So the laborers are 100 initially. After 45 days he found that only 1/4 of total work completed. So after 45 days, means with this 100 persons, after 45 days he observed that only 1/4 of the work is completed. So with 100 laborers with 45 days, the total work only 1/4 part is completed. So for the means the total work will be which is the multiple of this 100 into 45 laborers into 4, which is nothing but 100 into 180 days. So with 100 workers he going to complete in 180 days. So means the total work is 100 laborers with 180 days of work. So units will be here the unit will be 1. Again, then how many laborers he can employ so that remaining work will be completed on time. Like here we have days, total work and unit. Like in the addition of laborers he need to complete this work. The remaining work here already the 100 into 180 is the total work. 100 into 45 days is completed. The remaining work is 100 into 135 days. So here you need to complete it in 120 minus of 45 days, which is like completed in, you need to complete in 75 days. In the addition of the L laborers, L means let the addition of the laborers in the next condition. So the remaining work is the 100 into 135 laborers of work is left, because we have seen here now the expansion of this method is this one. Like we need to take the remaining of total work. The remaining first initially the total work is 100 laborers into 180 days is going to complete the total work. Means in that the 100 into 45 days are already completed. The leftover work is 100 into 135 days. So with that now the remaining work you need to complete with the addition of the employees in 75 days. Means here the unit will be the same. Like the unit is, here we have seen the formula of unit now. Like unit is the total work by the days. The unit equals to 1. The total work is means the remaining total work. We need to take here the remaining total work, which is 100 into 135 by the 100 plus L into 75 days you need to perform. So if you calculate all this, send this side, and if you calculate all this you will get the L as 80. So in the addition of again 80 laborers he complete the remaining total work in the time, which is in the option A. So this is how we can solve the all questions regarding this only single formula and extension of this formula. Only the basic two methods are applied on the entire the time and work. So if you not watch that videos, I will put the links of the videos in the description, or you can follow the aptitude playlist in my channel. I will provide the link of the aptitude list in the description, and also you can see in the I box. The next topic is we have seen the pipes and cistern. Pipes and cisterns is nothing but the cistern is a tank, is the similar word of the cistern is the tank. Now in that case we have only the same method, extension of time and work. This method is derived. Like we need to take the pipes, like type of pipes, and the pipes filling in the hours, or the emptying the tank in the hours or minutes, it will be anything. Here again you will get the difference hit here. So you need to take the LCM as the total capacity, and unit is the total capacity by the hours or the minutes. So this is the all over the pipes and cistern method. Or again we have seen the next topic, profit and loss. It is a huge topic. Like in the profit or loss, if profit or loss percentage is given, then directly we have seen a trick like profit or loss by, when we divide with the 100, then we will get the fraction. So in that fraction the denominator will be the cost price, and the numerator will be the profit or loss. So the addition or subtraction of this will be the selling price. So means SP. The simple forms I had taken the cost price as CP and selling price as the SP. No need of worrying of this. So like this we have seen the profit and loss. So F, again in that, if rupees and quantity are given, we need to make the quantity to either equal one, or we need to calculate the per one quantity we need to calculate the rupees. You need to remember this trick. This is a very important trick. So based on this tricks we have seen a very number of questions in that videos. So in that, let us see the one question regarding this, like a man purchased some articles at the rate 5 rupees per 6 articles. So the cost price will be the, let us take in this, let us take the rupees rows. Let us take in this column, let us take the articles. So for the 5 rupees, the cost price of 5 rupees, he purchased 6 articles. Now he sells all the articles at the rate 6 rupees per 5 articles. So selling price will be the 6 rupees for 5 articles. Find the profit or loss percentage in this transaction. So use the same trick, like we need to make the quantity to equal, or we need to calculate the per one quantity the rupees will be, we need to calculate. First let us apply this trick, later let us see by this trick. So already we have seen this question, so nothing to worry. Like here you need to take you need to make the quantity to equal. So I am writing like this, here I am multiplying with 5, here I am multiplying with 6. So if again I rewrite this will be look like this, like here 5 into 5 25, here you will get the 30, here also you will get the 30, 6 is the 36. So for the 30 articles the cost price will be the 25. Again for the 30 articles the selling price will be the 36. So here you are going to get the 11 rupees of the profit in this. So F 25 is 100% means for the one it is like 4%, means the profit is 11, means it is like 44% is the profit. So it is like profit 44%. Or you can solve by this, like here you need to calculate for one article the how much of cost it going to be. So for the one article, like here I am taking rupees, here I am taking article, the CP and SP. For the one article the rupees will be the 5 by 6, and for the one article the selling price will be the 6 by 5. Here you can see. Now the difference of this will be the profit. The difference of will be the profit. So like 6 by 5 minus 5 by 6, which is like, here you will get the 30 and here you will get the 11. If 5 by 6 is the 100%, means for the 11 by 30 it is like 44%. So this is the simplification of this question. Using this tricks we have seen the many number of questions in the previous videos. If you don't watch that video, I will put the links of that videos in the description, or you can follow the Aptitude playlist. So that will be in the description or in the I box. Again next to that profit and loss topic, we have seen that the discount. If discount is given, like you need to take the MRP at the denominator and selling price in the numerator. The difference will be the leftover value will be the discount. Always you need to take the MRP in the denominator and the selling price in the numerator. The leftover value is the discount. So this is a more important when you have the successive discounts, like multiple discounts. So means once he given the discount, like he given the something of X discount, in that again in the remaining he given the something of Y discount, so on. If the discounts are giving multiple times, it will be, it means it will be the successive discounts. You need to remember this formula. By this formula, by this method, or by this the trick, we have seen that the many number of questions we have solved them. Now later on we have seen that the profit or loss. In that we have seen the selling price and the cost price is given. We need to find the profit or loss. So if he given like that, you need to take the selling price in the numerator and the cost price in the denominator, and the difference of this will be the profit or loss. Which, so when this formula will be used means when CP and SP is given. So in that case, let us find the answer to. In that case, let us find the answer to this question. Like a wholesaler sells 30 pence to a retailer at the MRP of 27 pence. So means a wholesaler means he buying at the trick is SP by CP. He buying at 27 of the pence at the cost of 27 pence. The retailer sells all the pence at MRP. Again, he is selling for all the pence at the 30 pence. So means if he given, if it profit means you need to write in the denominator as the small value and the numerator in the big value. So that the difference is 3, which is the profit. Means if 27 is 100% means for the 1 it is like 100 by 27%. For the 3 it is like 100 by 27 into 3%, which is nothing but 100 by 9%. This is the answer to this question. So